Netflix for Android spotted with variable playback speed option in new test. Netflix has been spotted testing an option to offer variable playback speed to let you consume a large part of your favorite series or movie in the shortest time possible. Multiple users have reported that the new feature is making way to the Netflix app for Android devices. However, it is unclear whether the company would offer the option to adjust playback speed on other platforms, too. It appears that Netflix is initially testing the variable playback speed feature through a server-side update for select users. It is also uncertain whether the feature will ever leave testing and be broadly rolled out. As highlighted by various users on Twitter, there is a speed option on the playback screen of the Netflix for Android app. It brings a pop-up from which you can change the playback speed of your content. There are options to either slow down the speed from normal 1x to 0.75x or 0.5x or move it faster to 1.25x or 1.5x. The feature appears to be provided to select Netflix for Android users. Nevertheless, it is likely to reach other platforms such as iOS, Android TV, and the web. As reported by Android Police, the option to adjust playback speed on the Netflix app seems to be in pilot testing for at least more than a week. The video streaming service, however, is yet to make its official announcement. We've reached out to Netflix for clarity on the new development and will update this space when we hear back. Netflix and Amazon Prime Video haven't yet offered variable playback speed support for the masses. However, YouTube is one of the popular video streaming services that is allowing users to adjust playback speed for a long time. It is especially useful if you don't have enough time to watch hours of your favorite content but are keen to catch most of its scenes. Back in November, Netflix updated its iOS app with new controls to move the content 10 seconds forward and back with a single tap. The company also earlier this year enabled Android and iOS users to let them share their favorite movies and TV shows to Instagram stories. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.